In Microsoft System Center Service Manager, it is very easy to manage incidents, problems, service requests, change requests, and release requests. However, when reassigning the respective work items between support groups as well as directly to analysts, it is very difficult to know when those reassignments occur unless you have Outlook open and proper email notifications are set up to those support groups and analysts, or you have the console open. As an example, if I remember the service desk team and I wanted to reassign a work item to the desktop team, I'm able to go into my view, be able to see all incidents assigned directly to my team, and easily perform that function by escalating that respective work item to the desktop team. The challenge becomes, unless the desktop team has Outlook open and is receiving notifications for new reassignments, or they have the console open and monitoring their views, they really have no way of actually knowing when a reassignment occurs directly to their support group or directly to another analyst.
Cireson has developed a solution to solve this challenge. With the Cireson Tier Watcher app, I now have the ability to receive pop-up notifications in the system tray, just like I would expect to come with Outlook, when work items are reassigned directly to myself as an analyst or directly to my subscribed to support groups. As an example, if I right-click Tier Watcher, I can control and tell Tier Watcher how I want to receive pop-up notifications. I can first tell Tier Watcher whether or not I want to receive notifications when work items are directly assigned to myself, or within Service Request Management and Incident Management, I have the ability to tell Tier Watcher whether or not I want to monitor my support group or other support groups within my organization. Now let's just say that I want to go ahead and monitor the China support group. To do this, I simply move over to the China support group option and select it. And just like that, I am now monitoring any new work items that are directly assigned to the China support group team. Now to illustrate how Tier Watcher provides pop-up notifications, let's go ahead and reassign an incident from the service desk team over to that China support group team. Now we'll simply do this with an escalator transfer task to move that incident over. And the great thing about Tier Watcher is regardless of whether or not Outlook email notifications are set up properly, or the China support group team has the SCSM console open monitoring the respective view, Tier Watcher will send us a notification in the system tray when that work item has been reassigned to that support group team. Now what's great about Tier Watcher is it doesn't require the console to be open, and more importantly, it doesn't require the console to be even installed. Why that's convenient is when you log in the morning, Tier Watcher will automatically start and let you know when work items have been reassigned to your respective support groups or directly to yourself. And more importantly, you can actually launch the current notifications in a dashboard where you can simply see all the details of all those work items that are directly assigned to a support group that you subscribe to, as well as directly assigned to yourself. What makes it even better is the ability to go ahead and open up a respective work item, see the details of that work item, and if that work item had any attachments, you have the ability to double-click that attachment to see that attachment within the actual work item.